Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Wraps can be the no hassle comfort meal for everyone. I have fond memories of finding wraps in my school tiffin box. Let's cook a baked chapati wrap that's filling and easy to make. For more such recipes, do subscribe and check out my other videos. For the dough, take equal amounts of whole wheat flour and all-purpose flour. That's atta and maida. Add in about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Mix it in. Add water little by little. And knead a soft dough. Cover the dough and let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. For the filling, we need red or black kidney beans that have been soaked in water for 6 to 8 hours and boiled till they are soft. Potatoes that have been boiled and cut into small cubes. Chili flakes, roasted cumin powder, a pinch of turmeric, black pepper powder, dried parsley, you could use the fresh ones, and salt to taste. Chopped capsicum, chopped yellow and red bell peppers, chopped onions, and some grated garlic. Fresh tomato paste. Add in 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup and some soy sauce. I'm using light soy sauce. Mix it up and keep it aside. Grated cheese, preferably mozzarella, and some green coriander leaves. Heat some oil in a pan and add in some cumin seeds. Add in the onions and the capsicum and the bell peppers. Add in a bit of salt and fry them till the capsicum and bell peppers have become soft and the onions have a golden color to them. So we have reached that stage, and now add in the garlic. Lower the heat and cook it briefly. Add in the boiled potatoes. Cook this for a minute or two. Give the tomato paste a final mix. It has the sauces in it, remember. Pour it in. Add in all the dry spices and salt. You could adjust the salt later as well. That's looking bright and colorful. So now the beans go in. Check the seasoning and adjust it accordingly. Add some water and cook it down again so that the potatoes and the beans soak in all the spices and the flavor. Keep it on low. Once the water has cooked down slightly, just mash up the vegetables and the beans a bit. So we are using the potatoes, beans and the capsicum to thicken the gravy as well. We'll cook it down slightly more. That looks ready to me. We don't want it too dry. I'll just turn off the heat and let it cool down to room temperature. Once the potato and bean mix has cooled down, add in some chopped coriander leaves and mix it in. Knead the dough lightly. Use some dry flour. Make balls for the flatbread or chapati. You can make them any size you want, big or small. Roll them out as thinly as you can. Once they are done, it's time to cook them. Heat a tawa or a griddle pan and cook the chapatis or the flatbread. Once it starts puffing up, Flip it over and cook the other side. That's ready. Cook the rest of them. Similarly, we don't want to cook it fully like a chapati, just to cook it lightly on both sides. Place your flatbread on a clean surface or on a tray, and to make your wrap filling and robust, just add in some cooked rice or cooked quinoa right at the base. Since this is plain rice, I'll season it with some light soy sauce, some dried herbs. I'm using parsley, some roasted cumin powder. Add in the bean and potato filling. Some more. Top it with grated cheese and fold it into a triangle. Just try and get it into a triangular shape. Try the recipe. If you like it, leave your feedback in the comment section and share it with your friends. That's a neat parcel. Turn it over and that will go onto the baking tray. Get on with the rest. Arrange the wrap on a baking tray lined with aluminium foil or butter paper. Drizzle some extra virgin olive oil over them. And they are ready to go into the oven. Bake them at 190 degrees till they are crispy on the outside and have a nice color on them. Just look at them sizzling away and all that color on them. The cheese has oozed out from some corners. That's perfect. Here they are, right out of the oven. Look at the cheese that has oozed out from the corners. Serve them out immediately. Serve the wraps with a dip and salad on the side. This is how it looks on the underside, sealed completely with the cheese. It's too hot, but I would like to break it open just to show you how it looks inside. That's fantastic. Remember to click the bell icon when you subscribe.